My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands and thousands of cases. I've been doing this for 51 years. I worked at IRS 10. I was a national teaching instructor for the Internal Revenue Service. So unlike other people on YouTube, I was the IRS. I don't practice at it. I actually know what I'm actually doing and tell you what you need to know. Um, I've worked, like I said, thousands of cases, and I want to talk to you about the three deadly mistakes that you can make when you deal with IRS debt. There's many of them, but I'm going to give you the top three. Number one is not answering the IRS letter when they tell you to. All of IRS's letters are time sensitive. They will tell you when they expect a call, especially with we're talking about debt only, not audit. We're talking about the CP 504 and the LT 11. Those are notices that IRS sends, and if you don't respond in those dates, IRS is going to do what they say. If they say they're going to levy, they're going to send a bank levy. If they say they're going to send a wage garnishment, they are going to go ahead and do that. So you must understand these are time-sensitive letters, and you must call them for sure. The other thing is giving IRS a financial statement. You may think, well, IRS wants the financial statement. They asked me over the phone for a financial statement, the 433 app. You don't know what they're going to do with that form when you give it to them. Deadly mistake, because you're going to think, oh, I can't afford to pay my bills, but IRS is going to go ahead and substitute your expenses for their expenses. You're going to say, how can they? Oh my God, they can't do that. Yeah, they can, because they have what's called the IRS National Standards. Look them up for yourself. IRS National Standards for Expenses. They're set up by the Department of Labor for every county and every state. So you go on there and remember, they're going to put yours in there. So those are the first two. The other is not filing your tax returns up to date. When you have IRS debt, IRS wants to compress the case and work it in one unit. They can't have a tax return not filed here or not filed there. They don't like you not being current in the year you're in. That means, are your W-2s up to date and your 1099s? Are you making estimate payments? If you're not, that really sets off flags with IRS, and they're not going to be happy in dealing with you. The reason you use a professional in some cases, not all the cases, is you want to make sure this case is structured. You tie it in a neat bow. Here, IRS, their tax returns are filed. They at least started to make estimate payments. They're showing they're due good. We're calling by the date. Now let's go ahead and settle the case. That's what you do. Those are the three deadly mistakes. I really gave you four. Anyway, if you need me, I answer my own phone. I've been doing this a long time. Like I said, I worked at IRS 10. I've been on the national news many times. Go to my website at 777irs.com and you'll learn all about me. I almost got this done in 3 minutes. Please give me a subscription. That's really important for me. Why do people ask this? If you're subscribing, YouTube thinks, well, these people are popular. That's why people ask for subscriptions and likes. I always give you the inside scoop at IRS when I can. Thank you.